How to use a Dairy Queen gift card on DoorDash. So if you'd like to use a Dairy Queen gift card on DoorDash, now you've bought a Dairy Queen gift card or you received as a gift from someone else, and you don't use it on other places except that you would like to use it on DoorDash. So let us explore the options that we have. If we go to DoorDash.com and log into our account, and then I navigate to the account section from the bottom left here, and then over here I'll simply go to this option that says payment. Then once you are here on the payment option, you'll be able to see a couple of options. If you scroll down here, you'll find the option called Have a Gift Card, Redeem Now button. Now, unfortunately, this redeem button does not work for a Dairy Queen gift card because it is only exclusive to DoorDash gift card. Now, in some cases, if your Dairy Queen gift card was associated with Visa gift card, so if it had a Visa stamp somewhere, then we would be able to use that gift card as a normal payment method under any circumstances by using the add credit or debit card feature under the payment method. So if it was a Visa gift card, mind you, if it was a Visa Dairy Queen gift card, we would be able to do that. But the Dairy Queen gift card is also not affiliated with Visa in any form. So that is why currently at this point of making this video, there isn't any way on how you can directly use a Dairy Queen gift card. However, if you know someone who have got a DoorDash gift card and then they would like to exchange with you, or you can sell that and buy another gift card, then that option is absolutely possible. But I hope that this video helped you understand the differences between how you can redeem or not redeem or use them. If you have any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.